The Arctic fox, a master of survival, thrives in one of Earth's harshest climates. Beneath the snow, the elusive fox listens intently, pinpointing prey with remarkable precision. In a flash, it leaps into the air, diving into the snow with unerring accuracy. But how does it emerge unscathed in such biting cold? The secret lies in its dense fur, the warmest in the animal kingdom, shielding against icy winds. Its paws are insulated with fur, acting as snowshoes, gracefully treading on the soft powder. In a world of white, the Arctic fox's adeptness is unrivaled, a testament to nature's ingenuity.